Students, let's start out with the CAT preparation. So here, today we are going to have revision of maths. So let's quickly revise it. So already I know that you are clear with rational number. So let's start with the search. So as you are little weak in that part, already we did many questions related to that. And I'm sure that many of you are clear with that. So those who are attending the class, take out your notebook and start solution with me so that it will be easy for you to get clear with the things. So I'll wait for a few minutes, let all to join. Okay, let's start out with the solution here. Okay, those who've joined, I want to have your names so that I can call you. Okay, Moksha. So let's start out with the solution. So here, the first kind of question can be like in the form of, is voice audible? Moksha, can you hear me properly? Okay, let's start out with the first variety of question here. If anything is blur or voice is not clear, inform me. The first variety of question, 23 raised to 2 by 3. Wait, I'll change pen. So for this kind of questions, we need to find prime factors of the number 27 prime factor. So whenever you will get the number in the form of fraction, if the power is in the form of fraction, find the prime factors. So here we are getting 3 cube. So this we will replace with 3 cube multiplied by 2 by 3. This 3 will get cancelled. So final answer is 3 square. 3 square is nothing but 9. So this kind of questions are important. Now here, second question, where it is given 1024. 1024 raised to 4 by 5. This denominator will indicate like which number to be added. So here, like 1024. First you find out the prime factors of that. 1024. 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 1, 7. So it will not come in 3 table. So let's start out with 2. 2 5s are 10. 2 1s are 2 2s are 4. Then 256 is 16 square. So we are getting 16 2 times. And moreover, instead of going 16, 16 is 2 raised to 4. So here I feel some mistake is there. As 2 has to be, okay, this is 4 raised to power 5. So this you can replace as 4 raised to power 5 multiply by 4 upon 5. This 5 will get cancelled. 4 raised to 4 multiply 4 times you'll be getting answer. 4 4 is 16, 4 4 is 16, 16 16s are 256. So answer is 256. Okay, now next question. Few minutes only. Now the next question is 8 upon 125. Here it is given minus 4 by 3. If power is negative, make it sure that you need to reciprocal the number. So here 2 by 125 is there, 8 by 125, so we'll make it 2 by 5 cube. Multiply by minus 4 by 3. So 3 got cancelled. As negative power is there, we'll reciprocal the number 5 by 2 raised to power 4. Now multiply 5 4 times. So it's 25 into 25, 625. And 2 raised to power 4 is 16. So this kind of questions you can solve very easily, where only the power has to be calculated and then you will reciprocal the number. Okay, here. Now next question. So these all type of questions got completed. Now the next question is 64 raised to 2 by 3 multiplied by 1 upon 4 raised to minus 3. Okay, if this kind of questions will be there, always keep in mind you need to make the number, like here you need to bring the base to be same. So 64 is there, 64 is 4 cube, multiply by 2 by 3. So this is negative power. If we shift it to numerator, power will become positive. Thus 4 minus 3 is there. If I'll bring it to numerator, power will change to positive. Now both this 3 will get cancelled. It's 4 square multiplied by 4 cube. That is 4 raised to 5. Depending on answer how it is given, you need to write it. Like if it is here minus 3 is there. This number is also negative. Power is given negative. So plus minus minus 2 plus 3. Thus it is 4 raised to 1. Answer is 4. Now next question. Next one is like 4 raised to power 0.5 multiply by 0.5 raised to power 4. So here 0.5 is nothing but power half, and 5 is 5 upon 10. So this is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 raised to power 4. Now 4 we can change as 2 square multiply by 1 by 2. 2 and 2 got cancelled. Here 2 raised to power 4 is there. Here we left out with 1 2 and here 2 raised to power 4. So they will get cancelled. We can cancel out 1 2 from here. So there is 2 cube. 2 cube is 1 upon 8. So you can solve in this way. Hope you understood. Now let's start out with the next question. Here now next question is when roots are there one under other. So how you are going to solve it? Like question is 5 under root 5 raised to 9. Then overall 6 is there. And again further root is there and cube is there. And this whole power 4. Same way 5 raised to 9 whole root 3 again root 6, overall 4. So whenever root to root is there, that means this number to be taken in denominator, that you have to keep in mind. So here 5 raised to 9, as the 6 is there, so we'll shift it to denominator. In the same way, cube is there. So here after 6, 3 is there. So again 1 by 3. Then this is overall power 4 is there. So that will be in numerator. So this is what we are going to start. Now here you can cancel out the numbers. 3 3s are 9. Now 2 3s are 2 2s are. So finally this 3 also got cancelled. 5 raised to 2. In the same way, if we go for this 5 raised to first 9, this number will come to denominator. Again power is there, so that will also in denominator. When the number is in whole power, we'll write it in numerator. Now cancel out them. 3 3s are 9, 2 2s are 2 3s are 3 got cancelled. So it's 5 square. 5 square plus 5 square. So 2 and 2 will get added. So final answer is 5 raised to 4. Is it clear? Who is there now? Ritvik or Moksha? Only 2 of you are listening. Ritvik, Moksha, whoever is there. Is it clear? Shall I start next question? Now the next question, 1 upon 216 raised to minus 2 by 3, 1 upon 27 raised to minus 4 by 3 is equal to x. So here how we are going to do? First you will be finding the cube root. 216 is cube root of 6. At least up to 20 you must be clear with the number. If not, till 10 learn all the square roots and cube roots. Up to 20 square roots and up to 10 cube roots. So 216 is cube of 6. 6 cube multiplied by minus 2 by 3. In the same way 27 is 3 cube. Multiply by minus 4 by 3. 3 got cancelled. As power is negative, so numbers will get reciprocal. If we shift this 3 to numerator, okay, so it will be like, as 6 power minus is there, it will be 1 upon 6 square, 36. And then this 3 we are shifting to numerator. 3 raised to power 4 is equal to x. So now finally we can cancel out the numbers. We got cancelled minus. So first, as negative is there, we can directly change the number to numerator. So that will be much more easy. If you get sums in this way, better you first only exchange it. 1 upon 27, 1 upon 216. Then they will become positive. So it will be easy to calculate. Now that 3 will get cancelled. So I am directly doing the sum. So here it is 3 square. 3 I cancelled. 1 by 3 square. And here it is 1 by 6. 1 by 6 power 4. They are in division. So they get reciprocal. So 1 by 3 square divided by 1 by 6 power 4. So it will get reciprocal. 6 power 4 means 6 is 4 times. 3 power 2, 3 is 2 times. Now cancel them. 6 6 are 36. 36 4s are. The answer is mismatched. Out of board level sum, I am solving this one. Okay, this I made mistake here. 27 raised to power 4 was there, that I brought to 6. So 27 raised to power 4 is there. So 3 will come 4 times. 6 will be 2 times. 3 will come 4 times. Now cancel them. So answer is 4 upon 9. Is it clear? For easy understanding, what we are going to do? First directly reciprocal the sum. So this 27 to be brought to numerator, make it positive, and 216 to denominator, make them positive. So here it will be 4 by 3, here it will be 2 by 3. Then cube terms will get cancelled, and then as they are in division, they will get reciprocal. So this is the final answer. Okay, now moving to the next question. So next question, this type of question is also very important. Root over 3 raised to n is equal to 81. Then find the value of n. So here it's root. Root means power half. So you can write this like 3 raised to n by 2. This is half. So 2 we are writing in denominator. For 81, we can write 3 raised to power 4. 9 nines are 81. So 3 will come 4 times. When base is same, we compare power directly. So n by 2 is equal to 4. Now cross multiplication. Therefore n is 2 4s are 8. So once again repeating, 3 raised to power n is equal to 81. So as power n is there, root is there. Root means it's a square root. So 2 will be in denominator. 3 raised to n by 2 is equal to 81 is 3 raised to power 4. Now when base is same, we'll compare exponent. N by 2 is equal to 4, having cross multiplication. So n is 8. So will be completed. Is it clear? Okay, now the next question. Simplification we completed, and mostly as the simple questions are asked. So here, this is next question. Minus 1 upon 216 raised to power minus 2 by 3. So whenever you get negative power, first you reciprocal the sum and power will become positive. So this you can write like 216. It is in denominator. So I shifted it to numerator. But sign will remain minus sign. Don't cancel these two signs. Only by reciprocal we can change this sign. So this is power 2 by 3. As this is in denominator, I shifted it to numerator. So this sign will not be there. This will become positive. Already I told 216 is 6 cube. So it's minus 6 cube multiplied by 2 by 3. 3 will get cancelled. Now it's minus 6 square. Whenever there is an even power to any number, its sign will lost. This is nothing but minus 6 square is minus 6 multiplied by minus 6. 6 6 are 36. So answer is 36. Clear? Is it clear? Now next question is find the value of next question, 5 raised to 1 by 4 multiplied by 125 raised to 0.25. Whenever there will be power in decimal, first you make it in fraction. So as after decimal 2 digits are there, so we'll make it 25 upon 100. 25 ones are 25 fours are 100. So here it is 5 raised to 1 by 4. 125 is 5 cube. Then power 4 is there. When base is same, we'll add power. So thus it is 5 raised to 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4. 5 raised to 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 by 4. It will get cancelled. So final answer is 5. Is it clear? Is it clear? Okay, let's start with next question. Okay, let's start out with the next question. So here in the search, like what basics you need to remember. If suppose any question you will get in the form of root, how to rationalize, that question can be there. Or as they felt like this to be the difficult topic, they made it, mostly they're asking this radical type of sums only. This we call like power sums. So whenever they will ask, it will be in fraction. If suppose like 32 is there, 1 by 5. So how are you going to do that? Always remember that this number prime factorization must be done. So here it will be 2 raised to 5 multiply by this power. So power will get cancelled. Answer is 2. Now two varieties of sum can be there. This is like this kind of question they can ask. When base is same, if the number is in multiplication, we need to add power. So this is the basic key which you need to remember. 1 by 2 plus 3 by 5. Add the power for this case. Simple as you go for the fractions, solve it. If the number is in division, you will be subtracting the power. If the number is in multiplication, we add the power. If the number is in division, we subtract the power. Next, if power is same, like power is 2. If power is same, we'll multiply the base. This we can write as 6 square. 2 square, 3 square. When power is same, we'll multiply the base and we make the same power. So it can be 36. So this kind of basic questions will be there. If any question is there related to rationalization, how you are going to do? Root 2, if they'll ask whether it is rational or irrational number. So if we are not able to remove the number out of the root, we call it as irrational number. To rationalize it, whatever the number is there, with same number you will multiply both numerator and denominator. So the answer is root 2 upon 2. If there are two numbers, root 3 plus 2, to rationalize, we are going to take opposite sign of that. Root 3 minus 2, root 3 minus 2. Thus, it will be root 3 square is 3, 2 square is 4, 3 minus 4 minus 1. So answer will be root 3 minus 2 upon minus 1. They can ask to write in standard form. Always keep in mind, like while writing the number in standard form, negative sign should not be there in denominator. Shift it to numerator. If you will be shifting it to numerator, means this sign will be multiplied by both the numbers. So negative number will become positive, positive number will become negative. So final answer will be 2 minus root 3. Once again I am repeating, if in exam it is asked like write the number in standard form. While writing the number in standard form, negative number should not be there in denominator. So that sign has to be shifted to numerator. So negative will become positive, positive will become negative. Okay, now the next question. So these all, as in the search, they'll be asking only simple questions. Let's move out with the rational numbers. So rational numbers already you did, arrange in ascending and descending order, and moreover this absolute value. So students often make mistake in absolute value. If suppose number is there, this we call absolute. When you bring this number out of the absolute value, for positive number, sign will never change. So number will be 22 only. If it is negative number, this will become positive. While bringing out negative number out of absolute, change its sign, but for the positive number, keep that as it is. If number is in this way, you will go for the simplification. Minus 5 minus 4 is minus 9. Now bringing them out of absolute, so final answer is 9. So this can be one of the question. Next they can ask, what is the additive inverse of additive inverse of 2? So it will be minus 2. What is the sum of additive inverse of 2 and minus 2? 2, and then additive inverse of 2 is minus 2. 2 minus 2, 0. When we add 2 additive inverse, sum will be 0. For multiplicative inverse, you need to write in reciprocal. Like if the number is 2, its multiplicative inverse will be 1 by 2. Their product will be 1. For additive inverse, number and its reciprocal, no, minus 2 will not come, Moksha. If we add additive inverse of any number to number itself, answer will be 0. As one will be positive, other will be opposite of that. If suppose you are taking 2 and minus 2, answer will be 0. And when we multiply any number with its multiplicative inverse, answer will always be 1. Multiplicative inverse of two numbers is 1. Now, the next question, add the following on number line. This kind of questions they will never ask. You need not to worry about that. And this kind of questions can be there. Minus 92 minus 12. If question is in this way, first you need to complete this part. Minus 92, this minus minus plus. When we multiply, sign will change. But during addition and subtraction, sign will never change. Minus plus, it's minus. Minus 92 plus 12, we will be subtracting the number. So it's a minus 80. Always big number sign to be given. While subtracting two numbers, we'll simply subtract it. If the sign is different, then whatever the big number sign is there, that should be given to the answer. Here 92 is bigger number, where minus is there, so answer will be minus 80. Now one more question. Subtract 887 from minus 188. So try this and say answer. Try this and say answer. Minus 887 from minus 188. Say the answer fast. Can you solve it? Or you want me to explain? Whenever from will be there, you need to keep in mind this number will come first. So you can change the format like 188 minus, as you are subtracting, minus 887. So after from whatever number is there, take it first. As subtraction is there, so minus sign will come and this number as it is. Then minus 188 minus minus plus 887. Then subtract them. Simple subtraction. 887, 188, now 17, so it's 9, again 7, 9, 7 minus 1, 8, 800, 8 minus 7, so you have already one taken, so 6, 699, bigger number is positive, so answer is plus 699. Very good. Moksha, correct. Very nice. Okay, next question. Find the value of, even this kind of questions can also be asked. 5 divide 5 plus 5, 5 plus 5 minus 5, small bracket, bigger bracket. Question is in this way. First we are going to solve the smaller one. So 5 and 5 will get cancelled. 5, if no sign is there, means the number is in multiplication. So multiply them. 25, then this plus 5, divide by 5. So as bracket is there, you will be adding them first. 30, divide by 5. So if the number is in division, don't make like you will be dividing 30 by 5. Some will be like 5 upon 30. Always this number will come in denominator, second number. So answer will be 1 by 6. Next question, 17 multiplied by minus 12 plus 19 multiplied by minus 12. For this kind of question, you need to use distributive property, where the same number can be taken common. Thus it is minus 12 taken common, 17 plus 19. Remaining two numbers will be in bracket. Minus 12 multiplied by, then add them. Very good, 1 by 6 is correct answer. Now adding them, 36. Now multiply the number. 12 multiplied by 36. Okay, is it correct? Once you check out the multiplication, whether it is correct or not. 36 multiplied by 12. Okay, now the next question. So this variety of question will be there, where you will be using distributive property. Taking the common number the same number common, and the remaining number to be in bracket, and solve them. Okay, now next question. Okay, one more of this type I am giving. This you try by your own and say answer. Minus 25 multiplied by 8 plus minus 25 multiplied by 12. So, what can be taken common? Very good, 432. Very good, Ritvik. So, yeah, what we will take common out of this? Which number is looking same? What we can take common? Say it fast. 25. Very good, minus 25. If you take minus 25, 8 plus 12. 8 plus 12 is 20. So 25 2s are 50, then 0. Minus 500 is correct answer. So this kind of questions are clear to you. Next, they will not ask like write down the pair of integer whose sum is minus 7, as like many choices can be there. So such kind of questions will never come. Next few questions were there. Let's have revision of that also once. Integer, if you have difficulty in any question, Ritvik, you can message page number. I'll open and explain that. So here few questions are there. Let's start out with that. The product of two numbers is 2. If one of the rational number is 1 by 4, then what is other? Product of two rational numbers is 2. If one of them is 1 by 4, what is other? So here for product of two rational number is given. So let one is x multiply by 1 by 4 is 2. It's given product of two rational number is 2. So 2 we will write after equal sign. To find x, this will undergo multiplication. So answer is 8. Out of two number, one is 8, other is 1 by 4. So if you multiply 8 with 1 by 4, answer is 2. Paper number 75. 9th question, 10th question. Okay, 1 minute. I'll open out. '75, 9th and 10th. Already explained. 9th question already explained. This one, 9th question. Okay. Ninth is given 5, 1 by 4 multiplied by 125, 0.25. So this will remove decimal, so it will be 25 upon 100, 1 by 4. Now make them to be in terms of 5. So here 5 cube is 125. So 5 cube and already 4 is there. As base is same, we'll add the power. 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4. So it's 4 by 4, got cancelled, answer is 5. Clear? Ritvik, is it clear? Now next, ninth question is there. Moksha, you wrote answer 8 for which question? Okay, the same question. No? Okay, this is also one of the question. Ritvik, you said no, ma'am. It's not clear. See here. 5 raised to 1 by 4. It's given in question. Here 125. Power 0.25 upon 0.25 is there. So 25 upon 100 we can change into fraction. Now cancel it. 25 ones are 25 fours are 100. So it's 125. 125. If you get the prime factors, it's 5 cube. We are getting 5 3 times. So 5 cube and this 4. When base is same, if the number is in multiplication, we add power. So this power I added 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4. 1 by 3 is 4. 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 by 4. It got cancelled. So answer is 5. Okay. Now the next question. Here it is given sum of additive inverse of 2. Additive inverse of 2 is sum of additive inverse of 2 and its additive inverse. So it's 2 minus 2, 0. Simplify 5 upon 25 and write the lowest form and find A and B. So it's given simplify 5 and 25, where the numerator is A, denominator is B, and find A plus B. So this is nothing but simply you are going to cancel out. 5 ones are 5, 5 5s are 25. So answer is 1 plus 5, 6. Clear? Okay, now the next question. So it's given 2 raised to 3. Overall 2 by 3 is equal to 2 raised to x. Find the value of x. They didn't give 5 in option. It's there, 5 in option. Option number C is 5. Ritvik, once you check out page number 76, question number 9. Option C is 5. Okay, here this 3 will get cancelled. 2 square is 2 raised to x. When they will ask to find out the value of x, if base is same, we'll compare the power. Therefore, x is 2. Clear? Very good, Moksha. Now the next question. Here in the next question, it's given root 72 plus root 18. So don't get confused. If the numbers are in root, we cannot add them directly unless the root part is same. For this, you need to find their prime factors. 72 is 36 twos are. 18 is 9 twos are. You can remove them out of root. So 36 root is 6. 6 root 2. And 9 root is 3. 3 root 2. So 6 plus 3, 9. Answer is 9 root 2. Question number 10 I am explaining, Ritvik. So yeah, the paper ma'am gave some important questions Moksha was saying, so that I am just making you to explain. Now they asked what is the coefficient of root 2? Coefficient of root 2 is 9. So answer will be 9. This can be asked in integer form. Okay. Now the next question. If the question is in this way, root 3, 2 raised to 4, root 2. So I'm going to solve it. For this kind of question, I told you like whatever the root part will be there, that will be the denominator. Already 4 is there, so this root part will come in denominator. Then if nothing is there means 2 raised to power half. When the numbers are in division, we subtract power. So it's 2 raised to 4 by 3 minus 1 by 2. Now get LCM for it. So multiplying 3, multiplying 2, 8 minus 3, 5. So final answer is 2 raised to 5 upon 6. So this is final answer. Next question. X is 0.25, then the denominator of its fraction. So yeah, next question is given. X is equal to 0.25, then the denominator. So here we can change it like 25 upon 100. So x is 1 by 4. So denominator is 4. Answer. Now next question. A root 5, B root 5 is equal to 125 square root. 4 is correct answer. Two upon 5 by 6. For what you wrote 2 upon 5 by 6? 4 will be the answer. You will be getting 4. Okay. Now you need to find what is A plus B. So first you bring this in the form of root 5. 25, 125. You can write like 125. If you find prime factors, 5 will be getting 3 times. So 1 5 we can bring out of the root as it is square root. So it is 5 root 5. Now it is given A plus B. We can take root 5 common. So if we take root 5 common, A plus B will left out. Root 5 will get cancelled. So A plus B is 5. Very good. Now Ritvik, you asked one more question. Only few questions are there. I'll be completing them and then I'll come with you. P is given root y. Q is given 125 root y. Okay, here it is given number like root over 729, then again root cube root. So yeah, this is square root. So how we can represent this number? 729, 1 by 2 for this root and for this root 3. So overall it is 729, 1 by 6. Now get prime factors of 729. So it's 9 8s are 9 1s are. We are getting 9 3 times. If you split it, like 3 3s are 9, 3 3s are 9, 3 3s are 9. You got 3 6 times. So this you can write like 6, 3 raised to power 6 multiplied by 1 by 6. Okay, 729 can be replaced by 3 raised to power 6. 6 will get cancelled. So final answer is 3. Clear? Very good. 3 is correct answer. So yeah, next is given 5 root 2 plus 3 root 2. If the root part is same, you can add the number directly. So answer will be 8 root 2. Cube root of 125 plus cube root of 64 plus cube root of 792. So your 125 cube root is 5. 5 cube is 125. 64 is 4 cube. 729 is 9 cube. So you can replace this by 9. Now adding all the numbers, 9 plus 9, 18. So correct answer is 18. So these are the different kind of questions which you can get. Rationalizing factor. Okay, they can ask like, what is the rationalizing factor of any number? If it is given in numerator, you will say the rationalizing factor is 1 by root 8. If it is given in denominator, you will say that rationalizing factor is root 8. Okay, root 8 will be the rationalizing factor. Next, 18 is the correct answer. Very good, Moksha. Next, how to add 72 and root 18. So already I explained you, 72 is 36, 2. So 36, 2 and 2 root 2. Okay. So here 36 2s are. So it's 36 is 6. 6 root 2. 18 is 9 2s are. So it's 3 root 2. Final answer will be adding them. 6 plus 3, 9 root 2. Now, okay, Ritvik, you asked one more question. So to this factor page, we completed almost all. Nothing is left out here. Question number 10, he was asking of page number 76, Ritvik. Are you there, Ritvik? Not responding? (48) power minus 2 by 7 multiply by 16 minus 5 by 7. 3 minus 5 by 7. So here some mistake is there. If you remember, I told like if power is same, we'll multiply the base. So here it must be 5 by 7. There must be some correction. Okay. So 48 multiply by 16 multiply by 3 overall minus 5 by 7. Now multiply them. 48 into 48. It's 48 square. Okay. So 48 multiply by 48. Two, 3, 0, 4, we are not getting that one. 2304. First check out multiplication is correct or not. Multiply this and check 48 into 48. 8 8 is 64. 6 carry. Okay. 8 4s are 32. 32 plus 6. 38 will come. So here it is 3. 2304. So you're getting the number as 2304 and this minus 5 by 7 is there. So number will come to denominator. And moreover, one more mistake is there. They have not given the power. So in the question. So as per that, it should be like 1 upon root 2304, where here 5 upon 7 will come. Is it clear? Any more difficulty you want me to explain? Ritvik, any other question you want me to explain? Okay, once let's see this rationalization one. So first, all these are simple question only. Minus minus plus. So 7 9s are 63, positive. When we multiply two negative numbers, it will become positive. If one negative and one positive is there, the number will become negative. And product using the suitable property. This already we did. So here, for this kind of questions, you need to arrange the numbers which will make 100. 25 4s are 100. 100 multiplied by 150. So So easily you can put 0. So you need to arrange the number which will make in terms of zeros. Now next, this also, like using the property, you will split it. Instead of 41, you are going to write it 40 plus 1. So the number will be like 40 plus 1, then multiply both the numbers and add them. So this kind of question can be there. And this kind of bits they can ask, like on dividing a negative integer by another negative integer, the quotient will always positive because negative will get cancelled. This kind of questions practice properly. Okay, product of two negative integer is always positive. Then this, the value of this, so here we are dividing both the number. So you can directly cancel out. 5 5s are 25, 3 3s are 9, 2 2s are 4, 5 3 2. So 2 5s are 10, 10 3s are 30. Answer will be 30. So usually you can solve these questions. Okay, search and indices, comprehension type of questions. Okay, Moksha. Page number 75. 1 minute. Huh? Hey, 75, 10th question. Just now I explained. Ritvik, where you are staying, Nana? "75, 10th question. Just now I explained. I told you like here, this will be the answer. Here we are getting this answer, but as the options are not there, so none will come. Here little correction has to be there. I told like if the power is same, then we'll be multiplying the base. Here it is given minus 2 by 7. If power is not same, we cannot calculate the number. So make it 5 by 7. Then all the three numbers will get multiplied and power will be minus 5 by 7. So when we multiply both all the three numbers, we are getting 2304. 2304, and here they have given only root. So along with the root, minus 5 by 7 will also come here. "76. Okay, 75. Okay. Page number 75, 10th question. This one. X is given y square y is equal to z raised to power x. And z is equal to x raised to power y. Then this you can directly remember solution, you know. This kind of questions they are not asking. Like these are little typical questions. So they skipped all these kind of questions will not be asked as madam instructed. Okay, next. Moksha, you said comprehension type of questions. Ritvik, can you say comprehension type of questions? See here. Consider the question E. Simplify the numerator. So here question is given 2 root 45, 3 root 20 minus root 80 whole divided by root 5. So first we will be like splitting the numbers. Here it is 45. So 45 you can write like 9 5s are 45. 2 multiply by 9 means 3 will come out of root. 3 root 5. Here 20 is there. 4 5s are 20. So 2 will come out of the root. 80, 16 5s are. 16 means 4 will come. Whatever number you are getting, this is 9 5s are. So square root of 9 is 3. 4 5s are. Square root of 2 is 4 is 2. 16 5s are. Square root of 16 is 4. So in that way we can bring the number out of root. So it's 6. 6 root 5. 6 root 5 minus 4 root 5 upon root 5. So here the number will get added. 6 plus 6 12. 12 minus 4 8. 8 root 5 upon root 5. Answer is 8. So here they gave simplify the numerator. When we simplify numerator only, we are getting 8 root 5. So answer is 8 root 5. For first option, answer will be 8 root 5. Simplify the expression. When we simplify them, whole answer will be 8. That is second question. Now express, next question, express a root b, e in the form of a root b. They are saying, third question, express e in the form of a root b. So same answer will come 8 root 5. Options are given wrong. The square of the final result of e. Final result we got 8. If you make square of that, it's 64. This is fourth question. What is the final result of square? Very good, Ritvik. The next question. Second comprehension type. Let A, so this one more question is there, then I'll wind up the class. It's got completed. 2 root 3 plus 12 upon root 3 square. 3 root 2 plus root 50 upon root 2. We need to subtract them. So first question, simplify this. So how are you going to simplify? 12 is 4 3s are 12. So 4 will come out of the root. So it will change to 2. 2 root 3 plus 2 root 3. For first question, it could be 8 root 1. 8 root 1, we no need to write root 1. Okay. As root 1 is 1 only. Okay, so here root 3. We'll be adding both the number 2 plus 2, 4. So it's 4 root 3 upon root 3. Root 3 got cancelled. 4 square is 16. We got answer 16 for this. Now here 3 root 2, 50 is 25 twos are. So we can write 5 root 2 upon root 2. 5 plus 3, 8. 8 root 2 upon root 2. Root 2 got cancelled. 16 minus 8. Answer is 8. So the first question they gave, simplify this. When we simplify it, we get answer as 16. 4 root 2 root 2 plus 2, 4. Okay, without square they said. So without square, answer will be 4. First option. Answer will be 4. You wrote 2, answer will be 4 here. This will come. Next, evaluate and simplify the square result of the question number 1. So when we simplify, we get answer as 8. The second answer is 8. Third one, simplify 2 root 2, 50 root 2. So this also we did. Second part, 8. So answer is 8. Find the value of A. So after all calculation, we got answer as 8. All are mostly 8 only. So here we completed with the Ritik, you wrote answer 4. I'm getting all 8. Once you check out that comprehension. Otherwise tomorrow if I'll be in class, you can ask me once. Okay, this was our last question. Now I'll wind up the class. If further more difficulties will be there, tomorrow you can get it solved. Okay, good night to all.